Okay, people, I have a lot of really great products here from really great companies, so please visit my website. Just copy the link from the picture and or just type it into the address bar and it'll take you straight there and you can see all the great companies and all the fantastic products. Okay? Okay, I'm Eddie the Streamer and we're fishing Machans Beach again. So this little rod here, which is my friend's rod, it seems to be getting some bites. It's difficult to tell. It's bobbing up and down but it's not moving. This one here, my rod, is getting little stuff. There's people over there, there's people there. The lady over there was sunbaking before. This is the mouth of the Barron River. It's a pretty big thing. I heard his rod go off, but I don't think he got it out, don't know. Difficult to say. So yeah, I've thrown some burley out and just keeping an eye on the rods, you know. Came out here because my mate wanted to come fishing, but where is he? Don't know where he is. Maybe he's up in the shade somewhere, or oh, it looks like did he catch a fish, or was that his bait? I don't know. But yeah, anyway, I'll turn it on again when there's action. No action just yet. Whoops, camera was on but I wasn't recording. Okay, we're out at Machans Beach fishing. So, not sure how we're going to go here at all. Got a lot of people fishing along here. That's probably the weight of my bait. I don't feel it kicking at all, so it's probably just my bait. Because it is a big water bait. Yep. So I'll put a livey on that line there. Oh, come on, stop following it. Put a livey in that line, right, so that's good. But that guy, or that guy up there gave me, I can't remember which one of them gave me it. This thing casts weird. Probably because it's too much weight for the little thing, because it's a light line. It's light gear, so it's a possibility that it might get something, but I don't know. It's very light gear. But the point was that Angus wanted to fish. Where's Angus? I don't know. I don't know where he is. Probably because I'm not sitting in the shade. He probably went off to sit in his car or something. You know how people are sometimes. Feels so heavy, that. Some people in a boat over there. There's some lady over there sunbaking earlier. There's a lady over there sunbaking. Stuff like that. I don't know what your view is like. Hopefully you're recording. You do appear to be. I'll just chuck some burley out so the fish should be attracted. I still have to get a stocking and put on that, put the burley in the stocking and chuck it out there. Still have to do that. I think probably the first time this gets something on, it'll probably snap. The other guy reckons he's been here all day and hasn't even got a bite, so that doesn't seem very good, does it? Alright, I'm Eddie the streamer. I'll come back if there's anything happens. I think I've got a little crabby. When you drill a crabby, you grab really, really slowly. Ultra slow so they don't notice until it's too late. Could be crab, could be my bait, but it seems to be, see how it's getting really heavy? It's a crab. I can feel its vibrations from its front. Oh, see how they pull back? And you get that vibration of their little front bits. There you go.
Hi. If you want, let's keep in touch.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm not on Facebook. Maybe.
Wait, while you're there, write down Eddie the streamer.
Yeah.
That's my YouTube. Oh, it's nothing. Write down a note for yourself, right?
Look, that's my address. I am only at the internet.
Okay, yep.
Yeah.
Yep, so if you write down Eddie the streamer, E-double-D-I-E-T-H. Hold on, I'll put this away. Thought I had a crab on there. Really felt like I had a crab on. Oh.
So write it down.
Okay, so I am pen. Come on, work. Yeah, it's a piece of fish. Darn pen doesn't want to work. Maybe the surface isn't hard enough. Can you get this pen to write? It won't write. I can't get it to write. I just can't get the pen to write.
It's hard to take a new page. Edward Dietz.
Yeah, Edward Dietz.
Write it down.
That's my name. I can't write it because the pen won't work.
Oh, the pen doesn't work. I take a look to my
It won't work.
backpack.
Okay.
Maybe it's frozen.
I don't know. It's being a pain. Like everything else, being pains. No, it wasn't a crab. Alright, so we're still fishing. We haven't caught anything. I thought I had a crab there for a bit. I could really feel it, but nothing. It's looking a little rainy around. He's been on the phone the whole time, well, most of the time. He's been on the phone. It's really nice, peaceful here. It's a great place here, it really is. I'm hearing something behind me. I don't know what it is. Probably someone walking around. Yeah, there's a guy over at the ute there. It's just nothing, eh? Even the birds aren't catching anything, so that's how great it is here at the moment. I've been here since 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. It's now 5, almost 6, and yeah, nothing. There's no sea life around. Not good at all. But I'll wait until he's ready to go and we'll just go. Sun's behind clouds at the moment. They're looking pretty heavy. Oh, there's a plane taking off over there, look, see? A plane taking off. Plenty of birds around looking for a feed. There's some of them coming down fishing. There's a lot of rods too. A heck of a lot of rods. So yeah. Usually here when you're about to leave, that's when the fish come. Because they come in for a late afternoon feed. But the baits have gotten a little bit smaller. Well, I think they have. Maybe they haven't, I don't know, but I think they've got smaller. My bait feels a lot heavier. I'll turn this thing off now, so I don't want to waste too much power. Okay. Look, the birds are fishing. And they're actually catching fish. So there's something out there now. Because they just brought a couple of fish up. I turned the camera on a bit late. They're actually catching fish. They were dive bombing out there a bit, and there's all these fish around. Just bait fish, but they were enjoying them. And squawking and carrying on. Just because I stood up, they're all stopped now. If it wasn't stopped, if I didn't stand up, they probably wouldn't have stopped. Yeah, they were all fishing there before. Must have been a couple of little ones came through. That's good. The birds start fishing there. See, that bird there's got a fish. I'll take this thing off, hold on. That bird there's got a fish, see? They're all there. That group there. They've got a little fish. The fish must be starting to come in because they're all getting fish. So there must be fish here because they're all starting to get them. Alright, when we catch something, I'll let you know. Look how beautiful this place is. It's got a feeling of being miles away from the city, and the city's just there across the river. It feels like you're hundreds of miles from the city, but it's right there across the river. Anyway, until next time, until next one.